you're out there and you have a bit of extra cash, or perhaps you have a lot of cash and you want to start a business, I am addressing you today. We are going to be getting advice on what investment opportunities they are that you could consider. And so, John, I want to ask you today, I have some money available. What investment opportunities can I consider? Or if I am in business or want to go into business, what sectors can I consider getting into?
So in terms of the sectors, we can look at opportunities in the construction sector. And this is because the second phase of the standard gauge railway is about to commence, and we are bound to see a lot of demand for construction items, cement and steel bars and all that. So the construction sector is a key sector going forward. Also because of the government interest in infrastructural developments. Then the second sector would be consumer-driven sectors. So like financial services sectors, you have the banking sectors. You also have food and restaurant sectors. We've seen a lot of foreign interest in Kenya in terms of restaurants. We've seen new entries, Burger King. So there's a lot of interest in that, consumer-driven sectors, because of the rising middle class.
Is it true? Is it okay? I don't know. I just wonder. Is it a fad? You know, I look at all these different, like you just mentioned, Burger King, Domino's, Cold Stone, all these different foreign chains that have come into the market, and I'm wondering, do people actually, you know, is there that huge a market in Kenya? For example, you say, there's a rising middle class, but I'm like, but are people getting a lot more disposable income, really? I don't know. You tell me. What do the numbers say?
I'm not sure about the numbers, but generally going by foreign investor interest, there's been a lot of interest in that sector, and also going by like the population in Kenya. We know that a lot of it is concentrated among the youth, so we have a lot of interest by the young people in this, new Burger King, so there's a lot of demand there in that sector.
Yeah, true. And the economy, and population is really actually growing quite fast.
Yeah.
So I can see how that would happen. So okay, just moving up. Are you done with the sectors? Sorry.
So I think we have, the last one is tourism.
Oh yeah.
So tourism has experienced a rebound since third quarter of 2015, and this has been because of improved security, increased marketing efforts by the government overseas. So that is a potential growth area for any investor, because you can get into a tours and travel company, you can do so much in that sector. Yeah.
Interesting. And what about if I have money to invest? I already have my business, or I'm employed somewhere and I have some extra cash. Where would you recommend for somebody to invest, and why? And did we say the date? It's early September 2017, in case somebody watches this a year from now and decides to go on your advice. This is what's happening at the moment,
So the stock market, obviously, because I work for an investment bank. We have seen a rebound in the stock market since May of 2017. And as much as the prices were not as low as they were before the last 2 years, this is the time to invest in strong fundamentals, to invest in companies that have strong growth potentials. So some of those counters include KCB, Equity, we have Bamburi because of the SGR, as well as Kengen and EABL. So those are some of my stock picks.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Very interesting. So there you have it. A lot of you have been asking me, what can I put my money in? There you go. You have your answer. And thank you so much, John. It's been an amazing, amazing time having you here. You've broken things down so well, and I'm really, really grateful. If you have any questions, we are from Faida Investment Bank, so you can get in touch with us. Write to me on sema@moneywise.co.ke, and feel free to go ahead and buy a copy of my book, because there's so much. There's a chapter actually dedicated to investment options and how to understand them, how to take advantage of them, and it will help you. It's only 1,000 shillings, and you can get it from mymook.com. This is Rina Hicks. You're watching MoneyWise, and this segment is Invest in Kenya.